Hi, my name is Jake Sullivan, and my student ID is 01752941. I have not collaborated with any other person in making this video. So to start today, what we want to do is demonstrate how to find the number of students with a GPA above 2.6 and report that number. So to start, we'll come over here into our big data block in StatCrunch, and we'll come here to data, and we'll go down here to sort, and then we're going to come into this column here and we'll scroll down to select overall GPA. Once you've clicked on that, we're going to change the sort direction from ascending to descending, and now we're going to click compute. And we see that a new column has been made for us. And if we scroll through this column, if we scroll all the way down, we can see that at just above 2.6 is the number that we're looking for. So at 2.61 here, we see that number is number 1943, meaning that the number of students who have a GPA above 2.6 is 1,943. Now, for our next step of this assignment, we're going to need just that group of students. So before I started recording, I took this set of data here and I copied it. So now I'm going to copy all of that data back into a new column here, and I'm going to click here and I'll Control V, and we see that that column again is our new 1,943 students above the GPA of 2.6. And here we see it is right in line with that other 2.61 and right in line with 1,943. So now we're going to come back to our instructions quick, but first I want to change the name of this column here to students to GPA over 2.6. GPA over 2.6. And now we're going to come back to our instructions here, and we'll read what we have to do next, which is demonstrate in StatCrunch how to arrive at the 95% confidence interval of the mean GPA for students above 2.6 GPA. So we're going to come back to big data block, and we'll go into stat, and we're going to come down to tstats for one sample with data. And now that we've clicked on that, we want to scroll down to our new column we made, GPA over 2.6. And we want to, instead of performing a hypothesis test, we want to perform a confidence interval for mu. And we see right here that the default level is 9.95, which is our 95% confidence interval. So now that we've done that, we can click compute, and we have our confidence interval here. So we see that we have a sample mean of 3.25 and a lower limit of 3.23 and an upper limit of 3.27. Now, what that means to me is because of the central limit theorem stating that 95% of random samples will yield intervals that capture the true value, I can say I am 95% confident that the interval from our lower limit of 3.23 to our upper limit of 3.27 captures the true mean GPA for students above 2.6 GPA. Now, I believe that's all we had to talk about today, so I want to thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a nice day.